Welcome back to Universal Code. In previous session, we discussed about how to download and install GCC compiler. Now we discuss about what is variable and what is data type and its classification. We learned that variable is nothing but identifier or a name in previous video. And variable is a name of the memory location to a value or character for calling when it needs. Example: take two variables a and b. A is assigned with 10, b equal to a plus 20. Now a calls the 10 value to its place, then b equal to 30. Wait, why should we call the value instead of assign directly? And why we can't call the value to their original addresses? That's a good idea. We assign directly, but in case to add multiple 10s, it takes additional storage in memory. And it gives confusion to compiler for taking which location 10 value, so considering on this basis variable is introduced, it reduced the storage consumption and confusion for getting value in multiple locations. I hope you understand. Now data type. Before this, we have to know what is data. Data is the related information of a particular function is known as data. Example, for making a motorbike, out of all these we want, design unit, assembling unit, manufacturing unit, marketing unit, these are called data. And remaining are not a data for making bike. In each unit we specifically know that what they making for bike. In the same way, there are different kind of datas to develop a program. Then they are classified datas in types are called data types. It tells to compiler that, what kind of data it is and how much space it occupied in memory. Data types is classified into 4 types: primitive data type, derived data type, void and enumerated. Primitive data type, it is used to assign a single value to a single variable. It again divided into 4 types: integer, floating, character, and Boolean. Integer. Integer is nothing but from negative infinity to positive infinity, including 0, these are integers. It occupies 4 bytes of memory. That means 1 byte is equals to 8 beats, then 4 bytes is equals to 32 beats. Short form is int. Format is %d. We discuss about formats in further classes. Again, integer is divided into 3 types based on their range. Short int occupies 2 bytes. And long int occupies 10 bytes of memory. Floating. Floating values are nothing but the values which is float between 2 integers. It occupies 4 bytes. Format is %f. Short form is float. For long values we use double. Format is %if. It occupies right bytes of memory. Character. In keyboard every single key is a character, even white space also a character. It occupies 2 bytes of memory. Short form is char. Format is %c. Mainly character always indicates between single quotes. Boolean, it gives only true or false values. For true it gives 1 and, for false 0. Derived data type is used to assign multiple values to a single variable. It classified into 5 types: arrays, functions, pointers, structure and union. These are advanced features in C. We discussed these topics individually in their sessions. Void. Void is a data type that have no values or operators, and used to represent nothing, means in some cases we can't provide any return value, then we use void. In a program void main function indicates that it will not return any value. This how void is used. Enumerated. It is special kind of data type defined by user. It contains of constant integer values that given by user. It means we assign an integer as enum, it remains constant in entire program. In this way enumerated is used. I hope you enjoy this session. Any questions do ask in comments. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.